Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing of a Bluetooth earbud that I had purchased on TEMU. So again, if for those who don't know, TEMU is an app that you can install on your phone where from what I understand, it's giving Amazon and Wish a good run for their money. So they have a lot of items there that's pretty affordable or inexpensive. So I decided to get this one. It's the Wireless Sport V5.0 version, TWS. Truly wireless in-ear headphones. So that it says. You can make calls, listen to music. Let's look at the back here. What is some specs? Not sure what those are. Again, it's made in China. Let's open it up and have a look at what's inside. I've had several earbuds in the past that never really seemed to work out, so I thought I would give this a try. So here is the user manual, which seems to be in Chinese, which is not useful. Oh, here it is. So on this side, it is English. So we got that. We have the user manual. We have the charging. So this one seems to be, it's not a USB-C, maybe A or B, and USB there. And here is the earbuds themselves. So as you can see, here's the charging port that you stick it in. Let's have a look at this. If we just rip this plastic shield off, and now have a look at what is inside. Ooh, they're the earbuds. So they have the rubber piece here, and I think there's a piece of blue plastic here that you have to take off for it to actually connect and charge. So you put that in there. You can see this one here. Again, you have to take the blue plastic piece off, and then it will make a connection. There's a button here. I'm not sure what this is. I probably have to read up on it. But yeah, it's pretty quick and simple. That is the TWS Sport Wireless Earbuds. So hope you found this little unboxing interesting. Please remember to click that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you're always up to date on the newest food product and travel videos. And until next time, take care.